Hello. So on Windows 10 I have some issues to install some software. One of them is Image Composite Editor. It's a free software from Microsoft. It's from like March 2015, so it's a bit old, but it actually still works fine. But the problem is that I can't install it on Windows 10. I get an error message saying there's a missing DLL file, and I thought it had to do with I haven't installed Visual C++ 2013, but that was already installed. I still got the error message, and I had kind of a problem installing WinRAR as well. With WinRAR, it couldn't access the app data local temp folder. It was access denied. So there are some workarounds for this, and one for you can see there are different installation files. This is a regular exe file, and this is a MSI file, and they work differently. For the exe file, if you have problems installing it, just right click on it, select properties at the bottom, and you go to the compatibility tab here, and then you just select run this software or this program as administrator, and that should work. Just press OK. With the or if you have some other issues, it doesn't even install. If it's a really old program, you can actually select run this program in compatibility mode 4, and then select like Windows 7. That might work as well. But for me, for this software, it works just by having it as an admin. But it works different on these MSI files. It's a Microsoft installer. And if I just select properties on this one and go to compatibility, you see the admin is grayed out. I can't select that. Same thing if I go to the compatibility mode. It's just previous version of Windows. So this doesn't work with the Microsoft installer files. So what I had to do with this was to actually, I am in this folder right now where the file is stored, and I click the address bar here, and you see it gets blue, and I actually copy this, Control C, and then I open CMD here, or search for it, and I right click on it, and I select run as administrator, and just click yes on the UAC or UAC. And what I do here, it's stored on my D drive, so I go to the G drive, then I type just CD space, and then I just right click with my mouse, and it will paste in this link or to the folder. Press enter, and then I'm actually going to copy this file name, Control A. Don't forget to add the extension, the file extension here. And I do the same thing, I just right click and it automatically pastes it in. And then you start the installation. This actually works. So right now I have done this already. So right now you can see I have the Image Composite Editor here on the start menu, recently added, and it should start. There you go. So yeah, that's how you kind of install some of the files. It's a little bit of a weird workaround, but as long as it works, it's fine. It's not a super duper tricky thing where you have to go to the register editor and do stuff. But yeah, it's a little bit of a workaround, but that's how can you try to install software if it doesn't work natively. So yeah, see you later.